bwanyima ya Uganda okuteekaho omutindo omurungi omu mpaka za Africa eza volleyball aho yakwasira omwanya gwa kataano omu mpaka eziherize kuha omu ihanga rya Rwanda tiimu egi yagaruka omuka. Abarkwebembera omuzaano ogwo omu ihanga bayereka oku barikwenda kusimba amakanda okwongyera omu kubangura omutindo gwa tiimu y'ihanga ogwo gutaha tiimu za Cherumani ezirikusingayo aha kizinga kya Africa. Empaka za Africa ez'omwaka ogwo zisingirwe Tunisia erikuteera Cameroon omu finals kutwara ekikopo aha mirundi 11 omu rurembo Kigali.
Oh Lord, it has been such a beautiful trip. We thank God for 5th number 1 in East Africa, so we are so thankful. We are so thankful to God.
And I believe we are actually looking forward for the next engagement, and it is the best next engagement whereby we feel we can even progress from 5th to go to the semi-finals.
Sadiq Nasu or President w'ekigombe ekirikwebembera omuzaano ogw'omu ihanga ekya UVF yashaba government okwongyera ha bushagiki omu kutunguura eby'emizaano.
The government funding in Uganda has become a big problem. We all know that, and it is something we need to plan, knowing that our expectation shouldn't be really too much. I'm happy that the government of Uganda came in.
Uganda eherize emyaka 2 etiine ligi y'omuzaano gwa volleyball ahabwa COVID-19 bita ba UVF nibagira ngu niyo borekyerire omu ntebeekanisa zaabo.